Bonjour. So today I'm going to teach you a new section of vocab, les métiers, les professions. Les métiers are the jobs. Les professions is obviously the professions or the jobs as well. That's easy to recognize, so make sure you're okay with the heading. Les métiers. Les métiers, the jobs. D'accord. Most of these you're going to find easy, you're going to recognize them straight away, so there's really only a few that you need to watch out for. Ingénieur. Ingénieur is an engineer, and if I have an E in brackets, that means ingénieur would be a female engineer. Électricien, électricienne is an electrician. Pompier, pompière is a fireman. Think of the water pumping in the water hose, pump, okay, fireman. Pompier, pompière. Okay, so just going back to that one, you'll have noticed that if the job ends in ER, then you change it to E grave or E for feminine. Mécanicien, mécanicienne, a mechanic. So mécanicien, mécanicienne, mechanic. Journaliste, a journalist. Pharmacien, pharmacienne is a pharmacist. So pharmacien, pharmacienne, a pharmacist. So if it ends in an N, double the N and add an E to make it feminine. Architect is an architect. Menuisier, menuisière. So a carpenter. Menuisier, menuisière. You'll notice in your vocab list there is another easier word for carpenter. It's charpentier. Charpentier. So that's easy to recognize. So make sure you're okay with menuisier, menuisière. Boucher, bouchère, butcher. That's easy. Boulanger, boulangère, baker. Okay, so boucher, you did the boucherie was the butchers. Boucher, bouchère, the butcher. Boulanger, boulangère, the baker. Cuisinier, cuisinière is a chef, a cook. Infirmier, infirmière is a nurse. So think of the infirmary would be where the hospital is. So infirmier, infirmière, the nurse. And I think we did that in the health chapter anyway. Gendarme, policier, policière is a guard. So gendarme is a popular word for a guard, or policier, policière, a guard. Agriculteur, agricultrice is a farmer. Directeur, directrice is a manager. Okay, think of a director of a company, so a manager. Directeur, directrice. And obviously then the other meaning of that would be a principal. So directeur de l'école, d'une école would be a manager or a principal of a school. So directeur, directrice is a manager or a principal. Facteur, factrice is a postman or a postwoman. So facteur, factrice, a postman, postwoman. Avocat, avocat is a lawyer. So avocat, avocat is a lawyer. So make sure you're okay with that. Conducteur, conductrice is a driver. So think if you're conducting the vehicle, you're driving it. Okay, so conducteur, conductrice, a driver. Coiffeur, coiffeuse is a hairdresser, a barber. You know that already. Serveur, serveuse is a waiter, a waitress. So think you're serving the food, the drinks. Serveur, serveuse, a waiter, waitress. Vendeur, vendeuse is a salesperson. You know the verb vendre is to sell, so salesperson. Informaticien, informaticienne is a computer programmer or an IT worker. Okay, so informatique is the subject of computers. So informaticien, a computer programmer or an IT worker. Comptable is an accountant. Comptable, so think you're counting money. Comptable. Dentiste, a dentist. Pilote, pilote is a pilot. Vétérinaire is a vet. Réceptionniste, a receptionist. Secrétaire, a secretary. Maçon is a stonemason. Think a builder. Okay, it's a builder. Maçon is a builder, but I often think of a stonemason, a person that builds a wall, so think of that one. Médecin, médecin is a doctor. Plombier, plombier is a plumber. Professeur is a secondary school teacher. Professeur, a secondary teacher. Instituteur, institutrice is a primary school teacher. So instituteur, institutrice is a primary school teacher. Acteur, actrice, an actor, actress. Agent de police is a policeman. Bibliothécaire is a librarian. We've done la bibliothèque, the library. So bibliothécaire, a librarian. Caissier, caissière is a cashier or a person that works at the till. So caissier, caissière, a cashier. So make sure you're okay with that one. Camionneur, camionneuse is a truck driver. You'll later learn in the transport chapter that un camion is a lorry or a truck. So camionneur, camionneuse, a truck driver. Chanteur, chanteuse, a singer. You know that word already. Chauffeur d'autobus, chauffeuse d'autobus is a bus driver. Think you're chauffeur. Chauffeur de taxi, chauffeuse de taxi is your taxi driver. Chef de cuisine is a chef. Commerçant is a shopkeeper. So commerçant, a shopkeeper. Think anything commercial, something to do with a business, a shop. So a shopkeeper. Concierge in a hotel is a hotel porter. So concierge in the hotel is a hotel porter. So they would open the door for you if it's a very fancy hotel, or they would take your bags up to your room for you. Whereas a concierge of une école is a caretaker of a school. So concierge in a hotel is the hotel porter. Concierge in a school is the caretaker. Constructeur is a builder, same as maçon that we did earlier. Docteur, same as médecin, a doctor. Écrivain, a writer, same as the verb écrire, to write. So écrivain, a writer. Éleveur de cochon is a pig farmer. Éleveur de mouton, a sheep farmer. Éleveur de poulet, a chicken farmer or a poultry farmer. Employé de banque, a bank employee, a bank worker, a bank clerk. Enseignant is the word for a teacher. Now we had professeur, which is a secondary teacher. We had institutrice, instituteur, which was a primary teacher. This is just the word for a general teacher. Enseignant. It comes from the verb enseigner, to teach. Femme au foyer is a housewife. Femme is the word for woman or wife, and foyer is another word for the home. So femme au foyer, a housewife. Femme d'affaires is a businesswoman. Affaire is another word for business, so businesswoman. Fermier, fermière is the word for farmer, same as agriculteur, agricultrice. Fonctionnaire is a civil servant. It's a really important word. You need to make sure you know this. It comes up often. Fonctionnaire, a civil servant. So that's anyone that works for the government. Garagiste is a mechanic or a garage owner. Garde d'enfant is a childminder. Garde is to keep or to mind, so you're minding children. So garde d'enfant, a childminder. Gérant is another word for a manager. It's the exact same word as directeur, directrice. So gérant, a manager. Gérant d'hôtel would be a manager of a hotel. Homme d'affaires is a businessman, like we had femme d'affaires, a businesswoman. So homme d'affaires, a businessman. Hôtesse de l'air is an air hostess. Mannequin, mannequin is a model. Think of a mannequin in a shop window that models the clothes for you. Marin is a sailor. Think anything marine is to do with out in the ocean. So marin, a sailor. Notaire is a solicitor. I wouldn't worry too much about that one. Once you know avocat, the lawyer, the one we had earlier, you're fine. Maçon is a builder. I think we had that already. Pêcheur is a fisherman. So pêcheur, a fisherman. Peintre is a painter. Peintre, a painter. Représentant is a sales rep. Routier, routière is a truck driver. We had camionneur, camionneuse was a truck driver as well. So routier, routière, a truck driver. Think la route is the road, so truck driver. Soldat, soldat is a soldier. And I think that's all of the vocab. If I'm missing anything anyway, it'll be in your vocab list.